project for my husband. He is responsible for Victoria First Ward, and part of his duties as a bishop is to decide what kind of fun gifts to do for special events like Christmas and Mother's Day. So I suggested that instead of chocolates, we do soap. I have a number that I could just donate to it and have a lot of fun decorating. And so that's what I'm going to do today for my sisters. And I've got a little tag here that I'm going to put on that I just found as a free upload. And thought it was really fun. So we've got unscented as well as fragrance soaps, so the sisters can choose. And what we usually do in our congregation is the youth hand them out. She's not going to be cool. She is. Yes, I hope that they like these. I hope they turn out well. I'm already fighting with the glue. I knew that the stickers wouldn't hold, but I figured glue and organza just might work. The great thing about these little bags, I'm going to be pulling that off. I'm going to be pulling that off the whole time. Okay. There's got to be an easier way to get rid of it. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Now these are the little end pieces that I have when I make my big batches of soap. So it's a really great way for me to contribute and make a fun donation. The last thing I did was about 20 years ago. I was a young women's leader, and we were celebrating the church sesquicentennial and our pioneer heritage. And I thought it would be fun to make soap with the youth. Well, it got really, really slippery, and we had a few mishaps. The soap was okay because we stuck to like a pioneer oils, so it was like lard and tallow soap, which is okay soap, don't get me wrong, but it's not the luxurious soap that we're putting out here today. And I was a fairly new soaper, so this was a big project for me. It was fun. It was totally fun. It let me know that I could make soap in larger quantities and that it was fun to do. Oh, I need one of those with like the trigger. I think the trigger still works. I just picked this up at the dollar store. I haven't done this kind of crafting in quite a long while. So this is going to be interesting. I've even got some unscented soap. These are all naturally scented, so hopefully we won't have any problems with allergies or anything. And super lightly scented. All of my soap is always lightly scented. Soap itself is so rich that it doesn't really need a whole lot of perfume to cover it up. There we go. There we go. So if you're a soap maker, it's a simple way you could do like wedding favors. You know, just slice up small pieces and put them in your organza bags. I think I picked these up at the dollar store. I love these organza bags. When I see them on sale, I always buy lots. You can also pick up fancy ones by the 100 on eBay, and those are really pretty too, and they'll build a full-size bar. So I generally, when I'm doing markets and things, have organza bags as my takeaway because I think they're awesome. I just love organza right now. Some people like little boxes. I like little bags. I think they're so cute. And the thing I really love about these is that you can leave the soap in the bag, these small pieces of soap, hang them to dry, and then you end up with this, like, it just helps to lather the soap so much easier than a little sliver of soap, because it's really just a small bar. I've got Google Play just doing its thing in the background, and it's, I think it's Bach or Mozart. Anyway, I just wanted some classical music from the 1700s. So there shouldn't be any copyright problems, but I needed some classical music in my life today. I am getting glue everywhere. This is working though. What do you guys think? Pretty? So tell me about your Mother's Day. And if you had a good day, tell me about your mothers, whether they're living or they've passed on. First couple of years after my mom died were the hardest. I mean, I just wanted to talk to her and tell her about everything, because she was one of my best friends. Probably my very... Ow! Ouch! This is really hot glue. One of my very best friends in the whole world, like ever. There we go. And I was not an easy kid. I was hard. I was okay as a teenager, but as a little kid, I was a little more work. I am happy with that. I like the little flower. I'm glad it's not paper. It's kind of a little plastic flower with a little sticky do on it. Now these are completely unscented, so these will be in a different basket for people who can't tolerate scent at all. But I have those for those people as well. Got about a dozen, 8 or 9, maybe a few extras. It's probably supposed to be about 100 people, so we'll see. Hope I've got enough. Put a few extras. Blisters for tomorrow. Oh, I need to show you guys something that one of my other mothers gave me. Our family, they went to the Sydney Bakery. I have to show you guys these donuts. They are absolutely the best donuts in the whole world. Let's see if I can get the box open. These are from Nana Liz, my daughter Melissa's grandparents. Liz and Jerry came by, which was wonderful. So much fun to get together with family. Anyway, check out this freshly baked donut from the Sydney Bakery. This is like a dozen donuts in one. It's a good donut. And it's crispy and it's yummy, and we cut them into about 8 pieces, so like monster pieces. So good. Here, I'll put that where you can See that? Prop it up a little bit. This is my treat for later. I think that's about all I can get in the pile. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I can't wait to share this with you. Happy Mother's Day. All of the women in my life, including you subscribers who give me so much joy and so much encouragement and so much love. Happy Mother's Day. Bye for now.